Hey friends! Today we're going to explore some super cool things you can find at home. Can you guess what they are? We're gonna see things like, maybe something soft and comfy, or something that helps us when we're hurt. Watch till the end and let's learn together. Don't skip because you don't want to miss any fun surprises. First up is something super comfy. It's big and soft, and it's perfect for cuddling with your family while watching TV. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a sofa. Sofas come in all shapes and sizes, but they all have one thing in common. They're super comfy to sit on. Some sofas are long, some are short, and some even have special parts that fold out into a bed. How can you tell if it's a sofa? Well, it usually has cushions. Those are like big, soft pillows. And it's usually in the living room where you watch TV or play games. Next time you see a sofa, you'll know exactly what it is. Now, let's find something important. It's like a treasure chest, but instead of gold and jewels, it has things to help us feel better when we get a boo-boo. Have you guessed it yet? It's a first aid kit. First aid kits are usually red or white, and they have a cross on them. Inside, you can find Band-Aids for when you get a cut, wipes to clean up messes, and sometimes even special cream for burns. It's super important to know where your first aid kit is, just in case you need it. Let's look for something see-through. It comes in different sizes and it can hold all sorts of yummy things. It might have something crunchy like cookies or something sweet like jam. Yep, it's a jar. Jars are made of glass so you can see right through them. They have a lid that screws on tight to keep everything fresh and yummy inside. You can find jars in the kitchen, holding all sorts of delicious treats. Get ready for something super cool! This kitchen helper takes fruits and turns them into yummy juice. It makes funny noises when it's working hard. Did you guess it? It's a juicer. Juicers come in different shapes and sizes, but they all have a special place to put the fruit in and a spout where the juice comes out. Some juicers are loud and some are quiet, but they all make delicious juice. Listen closely. This kitchen helper makes a funny sound when it's ready. It heats up water for yummy drinks like hot chocolate or tea. Can you hear it? It's a kettle. Kettles are like water boilers, and they usually have a handle and a spout for pouring. When the water is hot and ready, the kettle whistles to let you know. It's like it's singing a happy song. This little helper unlocks doors and opens up new places to explore. It's small and sometimes shiny, and it comes in all different shapes. You got it. It's a key. Keys fit into special holes called keyholes, and when you turn them, they unlock the door. Some keys are small for little locks, and some keys are big for big locks. Every key has a special lock that it opens. Let's have a tea party. This special pot holds hot tea and keeps it warm and cozy. It has a handle and a spout for pouring, just like a kettle. Yes, it's a teapot. Teapots come in all sorts of pretty colors and designs. Some teapots even have cute little pictures on them. Next time you have a tea party, you'll know exactly what to use. This helper tells us if we're feeling warm or cold. It's long and thin, and it might have numbers on it. Do you know what it is? It's a thermometer. When we don't feel well, a grown-up might use a thermometer to check our temperature. It tells them if we have a fever so they can help us feel better. This helper keeps our homes and belongings safe. It has a keyhole and needs a key to open it. That's right, it's a lock. Locks come in different shapes and sizes. Some locks are on doors, some are on boxes, and some are even on bikes. Locks help keep our things safe and sound. Get ready for some science fun. This amazing thing can stick to certain metals, like your refrigerator. It has a magical force that attracts things. You guessed it, it's a magnet. Magnets are super cool. They can hold up pictures and drawings on the fridge. Some magnets are strong and some are weak, but they're all fun to play with. Wow! You did amazing! Now you know so many cool things at home. We learned about comfy sofas, helpful first aid kits, and even magical magnets. Remember, there are so many interesting things to discover all around us. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe to Let's Learn Hub for more awesome videos. We have so many more adventures waiting for you. Bye-bye!